South Korea, 13 people were killed and as many went missing after days of heavy rain across the country. In Sri Lanka, polling for the parliamentary election will be held tomorrow on Wednesday. In India, deaths for coronavirus in a day have hit the world highest daily total with 803 deaths and over 15,000 infections. US cloud supremacy has Europe worried about data. Israeli aircraft strike Syrian military targets on Monday. The Israeli army confirmed the attack in a rare statement. In Pakistan, National Command Operations Center decides on reopening marriage hall, tourism park, etc. within a few days. Human Rights Watch slams India abusive policies in occupied Kashmir.